Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile household product with numerous uses. Here are some common and practical applications of baking soda. Baking. Baking soda is a key ingredient in many baked goods, like cookies, cakes, and muffins. When combined with acidic ingredients like buttermilk or vinegar, it creates carbon dioxide bubbles, causing the dough or batter to rise. Neutralizing acid. Baking soda can be used to neutralize acids in recipes, such as in tomato-based dishes or certain sauces, to reduce their acidity and balance flavors. Cleaning agent. Baking soda is an excellent natural cleaning agent due to its mild abrasive properties. It can be used to clean kitchen surfaces, bathroom tiles, sinks, and even as a gentle scrub for pots and pans. Deodorizer. Baking soda is widely used to absorb and neutralize odors. It can be placed in the refrigerator, trash cans, shoes, and carpets to remove unwanted smells. Fire extinguisher. In small fires, baking soda can act as a fire extinguisher by releasing carbon dioxide when heated, smothering the flames. Personal care. Baking soda can be used as a natural deodorant, toothpaste, or mouthwash, thanks to its odor-neutralizing and mild abrasive properties. Insect bites and stings. A paste made of baking soda and water can help soothe itching and reduce irritation caused by insect bites and stings. Heartburn relief. Baking soda can temporarily relieve heartburn and indigestion when mixed with water and consumed, as it helps to neutralize stomach acid. Silverware cleaner. Baking soda, when combined with aluminum foil and hot water, can help remove tarnish from silverware. Fruit and vegetable wash. Baking soda can be used as a gentle and natural cleaner for fruits and vegetables to remove dirt, pesticide, and residue. Extinguishing grease fires. In small grease fires, baking soda can help smother the flames and put out the fire. Fabric softener. Adding baking soda to your laundry can help soften clothes and reduce odors. Drain cleaner. A mixture of baking soda and vinegar can be used as a natural and safe drain cleaner. Always ensure you use baking soda appropriately, as its